Yoga is a light which once lit will never dim. The better you practice, the brighter the flame. Greetings to all on the International Day of Yoga. I am Yashika Gusain of class 12B and I am the host for today's special assembly celebrating International Day of Yoga. Since its inception in the year 2015, June 21st is celebrated as the International Day of Yoga all over the world. The idea was proposed by a Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. He said yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. It embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, a holistic approach of health and well being. It is not about exercise but to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world, and the nature. By changing our lifestyle and creating consciousness that can help in well being. Today, let us dedicate our assembly to Rishi Patanjali, the father of modern yoga, and pay him a tribute with a prayer. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वेदिकेन योपकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतंजलि प्रांजलि संतोषमी. Meaning, the one who gave yoga for serenity and sanctity of mind, grammar for purity and clarity of speech, and medicine for perfection of health. Let us bow before this noblest of sages, Patanjali. The theme of International Yoga Day 2021 is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. Yoga is an ancient practice, and overall philosophy of yoga is about connecting the mind, body, and spirit. On this International Yoga Day, to spread awareness and encourage people to make yoga a lifestyle, we have Ashna Srivastava of class 12D. Let's welcome her.
Indeed, it is an astonishing fact that a yogic tradition, which is more than 5,000 years old, has recently become a popular way of life. Presently, people consider yoga as a significant means to achieve a healthy as well as a positive lifestyle. So here I am, Asha Srivastava of class 12D, and I've come before you all to apprise you of our very International Yoga Day that has been celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015, following its inception in the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. Yoga is a physical, mental and spiritual practice which originated in India. The Indian Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, in his UN address suggested the date of 21st June as it is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere and shares a special significance in many parts of the world. Now we must have got a lot of us here curious about the fact that why is it that we celebrate this Yoga Day? So to answer that, one must be aware of how important yoga is in our lives. Yoga is an invaluable gift from our ancient tradition. It embodies the unity of mind and body, thought and action, which is valuable to our health and our well-being. Yoga is not just about exercising. It is a way to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world, and the nature. It cultivates the ways of maintaining a balanced attitude in day-to-day life and endows a skill in the performance of one's actions. Now, as we all know, yoga itself has its inherent benefits, some of which, as we say, include flexibility, muscle strength, weight reduction, etc., which adds up to our healthy and prosperous life. It helps us throughout our life if we keep it in practice on a regular basis, which is especially the most important thing to do when we're all amid this COVID-19 situation. In order to keep ourselves and our surroundings, our family members and the loved ones safe, we cannot think of any better equipment than to practice yoga. We should know that this International Yoga Day aims to raise awareness worldwide of the benefits of practicing yoga. The theme for our Yoga Day this year is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family, which is to ensure that all of us be at our homes and keep well and stay safe and healthy with yoga. Also, necessary for all of us to know that practicing yogic asanas, one could always prevent coming in contact with any kind of disease. For instance, the practice of pranayama regulates the purification of the internal system and the organs, acting as a superior and able supplement to asanas. So, what it actually teaches us is we know that some of the situations in our life happen to be inevitable. But if we stay calm, healthy, and positive minded, we can always pull through it. In the end, I'd just like to appreciate each individual for paying attention here and congratulate all for their solidity throughout the pandemic. Hope all of us are doing well. Let's get to practice yoga and encourage our loved ones to practice it as well. A very happy Yoga Day to all of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ashna. It was really enlightening. भारतीय संस्कृति की महत्वपूर्ण धरोहर योग है, जिसके माध्यम से व्यक्ति अपने मन पर नियंत्रण स्थापित कर स्वस्थ रहता है। वर्तमान स्थिति में कोरोना जैसी महामारी पर भी योग द्वारा नियंत्रण पाया जा सकता है। योग की महत्ता पर आधारित कविता योग करे निरोग संयम कक्षा 7 का विद्यार्थी आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा है।
मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है करें योग रहे निरोग। योगा को हम अपनी जीवन शैली में अपनाएं। योगा को हम अपनी जीवन शैली में अपनाएं। आओ मिलकर हम सब योग दिवस मनाएं। योग विद्या है हमारी भारतीय परंपरा। योग विद्या है हमारी भारतीय परंपरा। प्रातः उठ योगा कर फिर देख सरा। योग से हो जाएगी सुख और समृद्धि। योग से हो जाएगी सुख और समृद्धि और हो जाएगी आयु में वृद्धि। योग करने से चेहरे पर आ जाएगा नूर। योग करने से चेहरे पर आ जाएगा नूर। हर बीमारी को जड़ से भगा देगा अति दूर। योग से हो जाएगा तन मन की शुद्धि। योग से हो जाएगी तन मन की शुद्धि। कहते विद्वज्जन बढ़ जाएगी बुद्धि। योग प्रतिदिन जो मानव करता है, योग प्रतिदिन जो मानव करता है, किसी बीमारी से होना डरता है। कहते जिसको सांस लेने में अक्सर दिक्कत आती, कहते जिसको सांस लेने में अक्सर दिक्कत आती, कर ले वो अनुलोम विलोम और कपालभाति। सूर्य नमस्कार ऐसा है अद्भुत योग। सूर्य नमस्कार ऐसा है अद्भुत योग। जिसने किया वही दे सुख भोग। तो आओ मिलकर हम सब प्रण करें। तो आओ मिलकर हम सब प्रण करें। प्रतिदिन हम सब योग करें, निरोग रहें। धन्यवाद।
Very well recited, Sayyam. That was really impressive. The theme of International Yoga Day 2021 focuses upon telling people to stay motivated at home and adopt a healthy lifestyle by doing exercise and yoga. Let's appreciate the theme 2021 of International Yoga Day and practice yoga at home until the curse of COVID-19 leaves us. Happy soul, fresh mind, and healthy body, all three can be achieved with yoga. Here are my fellow Arvachinians who are going to perform yoga and display some yogic postures, not alone, but with their family members. Let's enjoy and learn these asanas to stay fit and healthy forever. Now, I would like to conclude today's program by thanking each and every member of the organizing committee and technical support team for their continuous effort and hard work. Our Honorable Director, Mr. Arun Sharma, respected Principal, Mrs. Swapna Nair, and teachers for their encouragement. Last but not the least, a big thank you to the audience for being so supportive always. Let's stand for the national anthem. Jai Hind.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।